Once he starts to cut a little bit, you'll start to, if you hear it bogged down, that basically means that he's trying to cut too fast. He's trying to do the work.
All he's doing is feeding it from the top. If you hear that bog down, that means he's pushing it too fast. You just back it up a little bit and let it do its point. Right there is probably a prime example of the city that it doesn't pinch. That's probably a normal application of it if you're not worried about the pipe, if you don't have it. What I usually tell people, if your bobcat or skid steer or backhoe's right on site, just right at the side of the line, so you just don't have to go. You see the looseness of the chain?